Hello everyone, I'm Shirin, and welcome back to another AI tutorial here on the SE AI Lab YouTube channel. Let's dive in. As you may know, OpenAI has released O3 Pro, their most advanced reasoning model yet, and here's everything you need to know. O3 Pro is an upgraded version of the O3 model, designed to think longer and deliver more reliable answers. It outperforms earlier models across key areas: science, education, programming, data analysis, and writing. Reviewers report that O3 Pro provides clearer, more complete, and more accurate responses, and it follows instructions better than its predecessors. On evaluation benchmarks for math, coding, and science, O3 Pro consistently surpasses both O1 Pro and O3. O3 Pro can also use tools inside ChatGPT. It can search the web, read your files, run Python, understand images, and leverage memory to personalize replies. Because it invokes external tools, O3 Pro takes a bit longer to answer. OpenAI recommends using it for tough questions where accuracy matters more than speed, and waiting a few extra seconds is worth it. O3 Pro is already available in ChatGPT for Pro and Team users, replacing O1. In the API, it's priced at $20 per million input tokens and $80 per million output tokens. Meanwhile, the base O3 model is now 80% cheaper, just $2 per million input tokens and $8 per million output tokens. Thanks for sticking around to the very end of this AI breakdown. If you're ready for more, let's make it official. A like helps, your comments on future AI topics are invaluable, and subscribing unlocks endless learning. See you on the next video.